So welcome to Confetti Charm. My name is Jalen, and on this channel you'll see a little bit about fashion, fitness, lifestyle, and some things on the in-between. So today I wanted to bring to you some styling tips because sometimes getting dressed can feel like such a task, to where like people just throw on stuff because they don't care at some point, and it's just like, I don't even care, it is what it is. But I kind of wanted to give you a little structure on how you could go about your styling and putting things together, so that it doesn't feel like such a hassle to you, because getting dressed should make you feel good. It should make you feel confident. It should make you feel like that girl. So if getting dressed for you is a hassle, these styling tips might be able to help you and make you look well put together, because we all like to look well put together. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the very first tip that I have for you is grab a base item. Grab that one item that you want to go ahead and make a whole outfit with, whether that's a top, whether that is bottoms. Some people use the bottom up method and they maybe use like some jeans or a pair of shorts or just something like that, or even just a top to kind of style around. And I would say lay it out on your bed. Lay it out on your bed so that you actually are able to visually have like a visual sight, and you're able to see some different kind of concepts that you can go with. Like, you know, a lot of things can already go with jeans. You already know that a lot of things can go with slacks. So just having that one base item and then being able to style around it really helps. When a stylist usually go ahead and grab items, they usually have their stuff like sitting up and they have a visual sight on it, and they also plan it. They plan what they're going to do. And sometimes just those concepts really help you like with getting dressed. So grab that base item and style around that base item, and so you're not like scrambling, and at least you have some idea and some concept of what you can do with that particular item. Okay, so the second tip I have is build around color, right? So not everybody is color people. Let's start there. Not everybody is color people, but for the girlies that are, and for the girlies that does not mind adding in color and without going to those nice neutral tones, to like the nudes, the blacks, the whites, and the denim. And you know, like, because I know a lot of people, when they think of color, they automatically go to that because it kind of like balances it out for them. But for the people that do not mind color, I would say build around that color. See what kind of colors complement it. I would say look on the color wheel and see what colors like go really well with it. If it's pale, you might want to stick with the pale tones. If it's highlighter, you might want to go with the highlighter tones or something within that realm. So I would say style around color, build around color, make it feel as if like you are, you know, like putting something unique together. You're putting a masterpiece together, because technically you are. An outfit is like your own artistic way of showing who you are. So build your outfit around color, and don't be afraid to like go inside of your wardrobe and like putting the item against stuff, so you can kind of see, like visually see like what kind of colors go really well with it. Or yeah, and don't be afraid to like push the edge a little bit. Some people are a little afraid of color and they don't want to push the edge. Like, try the things on. You never know what looks really good on until you actually try it on. So I would say try it on, see if it actually looks really well together, if it all collaborates very well, because sometimes like you'll be very surprised like what blue will go with, what yellow go with, what purple go with. So also use the color wheel. The color wheel, girl, if you want to start learning how to do like color blocking and all of the things, the color wheel, babe, the color wheel does it. Like, the color wheel will be able to help you so much, and you don't have to feel like, dang, I don't know what goes with purple. The color wheel will let you know what will go with purple. So definitely use those kind of tips when you're styling color. Okay, so another styling tip I would say is if you have something busy on the top or just busy, you might want to go ahead and have like more simple accessories. So if it's busy, you want to go simple, and if it's simple, you want to go busy. So for instance, if I have like this tulle top, or I have something that's a little bit more couture, and it like has like these shoulder pads and ruffles and all these different things, I don't want to put like really like exaggerated earrings on or anything of that nature to make things clash, because you don't want your outfit to clash. You want it to kind of go cohesively together. So if you're doing something like really busy on top, or just really busy somewhere with an item or something like that, you kind of want to go ahead and like dial it back a little bit with your accessories. Make it a little bit more simple, a little bit more less exaggerated, because sometimes like I know that I can pick a piece that can be super exaggerated at the top, but my accessories are like simple, like studs or something just really like cute and dainty to complement what I'm wearing, so I don't look all over the place. You don't want to look super like so busy to where you just feel like you just threw things on. You want to look like you've put a lot of thought inside of whatever you have on. So if you're going busy with an item, go more simple with like the accessories. So even if it's the bag, go like really cute with the bag, really simple with the bag, or just have maybe like 2 things that are a little bit extra because you don't want to be too busy. And if it's simple, exaggerate it a notch, take it up a notch by adding it in a different color, adding in some exaggerated earrings, some big flower earrings or something like that, to just make your outfit just look like a little bit more interesting, a little bit more fun, a little bit more, you know, lively, like you have character, like you have personality, because again, your outfit is a way for you to kind of show us who you are on the outside. So definitely like take it up a notch with this, and don't be afraid if you're going more simple in your outfit to add like extra bolder pieces, like maybe even like certain kind of metals, like the bold metallic silver, the bold metallic gold, even highlighter colors. So keep that in mind, like when you're adding in your items. Make sure you're going, if you're going exaggerated, simple. If you're going simple, go more exaggerated with the accessories. Okay, so some people get a little funny about like matching and stuff, and not sure like how it can all kind of work together, especially if you like want to try color blocking. So I would definitely suggest maybe doing what they call the sandwich method. And what the sandwich method is you can think of it as like a regular sandwich, like it has 2 buns or 2 pieces of bread, and then you have the meat on the inside. And so what I would say is, if you are trying to learn how to do the color blocking, you're trying to learn how to do the whole matching concept outside of the neutrals, and you want to do color, I would say have like the top and the shoes matching. Have the top and the shoes matching, and the middle could be something different. It's almost like the same concept, even though denim would be neutral, but you can have like exaggerated top, like a hot pink top and hot pink shoes, and like maybe like a more neutral kind of pair of pants, or even you can go blue pants or something like that. So when you're getting dressed, think of like, if the shoes and the top match, I'm good. And even also, I would even say if the shoes and the purse match, you're good. So think of it in that way too. Like if the shoes and the purse match, it brings everything together. So you look well put together, you look cohesive, everything is like flowing. You want to have a flow when it comes down to your outfit. Okay, so another styling tip is that you can mix high and low, right? Things that doesn't like obviously seem like they go together. For instance, like a slip skirt with a t-shirt, or like a lace, maybe like a slip dress or lace dress with like a trench coat, or even like a leather coat. Like things that kind of have like that juxtaposition, so that you add just a little bit more interest inside of the outfit, and just make it have a lot more character and just show who you are. Because sometimes when you have those little edgy going on, like a satin skirt and a t-shirt, those things don't always seem like they go together. You would think a t-shirt go with denim or something like that, a little bit more something relaxed, but to have something a little bit dressy on the bottom and a little casual and calm on the top gives like this cute little interesting kind of vibe. So definitely think about all of those things. Like if you have like a regular t-shirt, like style it with a slip skirt, or style it with like a lace skirt, or like some satin pants or something like that, to kind of give like a little bit of a funky kind of interesting vibe to the look. You know what I'm saying? Accessories, right? I have realized that a lot of people leave out accessories like when they're shopping. They don't really think about it much. Like they don't think about the purse, they don't think about the earrings, they don't think about the bag, they don't think about the bracelets and the rings and the necklaces and scarves and all of these different little things that can just make your outfit look so much more, not only just put together, but interesting and unique and unexpected. Because those accessories just could add in that extra little touch that could just take your outfit up a whole notch because you added a fringe purse or something like that, or just something unique to make the outfit just unique to you and have personality that fits you. So when you're getting dressed, pay attention to like some of the accessories and pay attention to what you're missing. Shoes are obviously essential. You know, pay attention to the kind of things, like for instance, like when you are getting dressed and you're like, dang, I don't have that, like take mental note of that, or even write it down in your notes and stuff, so you kind of know, like when you're out shopping or when it is time for you to shop, you kind of have an idea of what to look for, because you want to make sure that you have all of the necessary items to make sure that everything kind of like works inside of your wardrobe. And it doesn't say that you have to buy like a plentiful amount of it, but it is to say that you want to make sure that you have something to match with your some things. So like make sure everything working together. And so if it's a pair of sneakers, or if it's some sandals or whatever it may be, and you realize that you're missing out on those items, make sure you make a mental note of that, so that you are looking well put together. And it's not to say that you have to have a lot, it's just to say that you do need it in order to make you look the most confident, make you feel the most confident. Because sometimes like when we begin dressed and we don't have a particular thing, you feel like your outfit is incomplete. Like you feel like, dang, like it doesn't look as elevated, it doesn't look as well put together as it could have looked if I had this gold purse, or if I had this pair of shoes, or white pair of sandals, or whatever it may be. So just keep mental note of the accessories. I'm really big on accessories. I love my rings, I love my bracelets, I love my bags, I love my shoes, but I do take mental note when I don't have something, especially when I'm styling things. So keep that in mind. Like pay attention to your accessories. Your accessories are essential, and it can make or break your outfit, period. Okay, so the second to last tip that I have is styling techniques, right? So styling techniques really just make the outfit your own. So whether that is like cuffing up your sleeves, like making it more ruched here so that it fits well on your arm, whether you want to put a safety pin to bring something up to make it more ruched. It's like those little styling tips, like even cuffing your pants a certain kind of way, or all of those little things make the style your own. It changes the way that the style kind of looks, so that it is tailor-made to you. You want to make your outfit look tailor-made to you, and make it fit you in your body the best way possible. We all have different body types. Everything don't fit us all the same. I have an athletic body, so I have to be very careful about the things that I buy, and also the kind of silhouettes. So it change, like if you do certain things, like, you know, like putting a belt on, it changes the silhouette. If you like cuffing up stuff, if you're putting like brooches on, all of those things really changes the perspective of your actual outfit. It can make your outfit look more casual. It can make your outfit look a little bit more tailor-made. It can make your outfit look a little bit more interesting and unique. So keep that in mind. Like just do the things that make you feel like you. Like make the outfit yours. If it's an oversized t-shirt, girl, like scrunch it up to where it kind of almost look like it got shoulder pads, or like even folding it kind of just makes it look a little bit more tailored. So those styling techniques can make or break the outfit and just elevate it so much. And this very last tip that I have is play inside of your wardrobe. Have fun with it. Go inside of your wardrobe, and even if it's like this one beautiful top that you just got, try things on with it. Try things on to see like what works with it, what doesn't work with it, like what kind of color scheme you want to go for. Even try for different kinds of styles. If you want to go for a more classy style, more chic style, a little bit more edgy style, or a little bit more grunge style. See how many avenues you can take a particular piece, and this really like takes up the amount of versatility inside of your wardrobe and your closet, so you don't feel like you have to go buy something every single time it's a new event. Cause child, I'm good for it. I'm good for, oh, we got a birthday party to go to. Okay, well let me go find something. No ma'am, you have something in your closet. You have something in your closet. Go style it to see how the way you like it, but go inside of the closet and find like, you know, like different little ways that you can like just make your outfit look cute to you, or make it look more tailor-made to you. So I would say play inside of your closet. Make it make it a day to where you just like, oh, okay, I want to go ahead and, you know, try a little something different with this. I want to try some jeans with that. Like maybe like a sequin top with some denim jeans, or a sequin dress with some sneakers. Like just try. You never know what you'll like until you try it. So I would say, like, play inside of your closet, have fun, like make it a day to where you just kind of like have an idea of what to do with your wardrobe, because when it comes down to it, and it's time for you to go leave, it's time for you to go to work, it's time for you to go, you know, to a dinner party, whatever it is, you kind of already have a mental idea like, oh, well, this and this worked together when I tried it on this day. So let me go ahead and pull that out. This is the perfect occasion for this outfit. Let me pull it out and wear this, and play inside of the wardrobe. Play, have fun, like be that little girl playing like dress up inside of the wardrobe, girl. Because I know I do. I know I buy an outfit, or not an outfit particularly all the time, but I buy like a dress, or I buy a top or so, and I put it on to make sure I still like it. One, I gotta make sure I still like it, and then two, I want to make sure that I'm feeling it. Like I gotta see it with some different things. Like, do I like it with slacks? Do I like it with denim? Do I like it with with a pair of leggings? Or do I like it by itself? Play with your wardrobe. See how many combinations you can come up with. You'll be very surprised the versatility you have already inside of your wardrobe right now as we speak. So before you go buying anything else, hold off. Go inside of the wardrobe. Let's do dress up. Let's play dress up. Okay, you guys, I hope this helps you so much. I know that this helps me, and I really take that last tip to heart, because that's exactly what I do. Like I literally practice that all the time to make sure I like what I got, and just to see how well it kind of like goes inside of my wardrobe, and just to give me some ideas of like how I can style stuff. Because child, I hate the scrambling. I hate the whole scrambling thing, and it aggravates me. And if I don't feel cute, we got a problem. I like to make sure I feel cute. So just make sure you're doing all those things, like just taking those things into consideration when you're going ahead and getting dressed, and even when you're out purchasing things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you take those styling tips and do the things, girl. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.